In Ukraine it's not true now, but especially in some regions, especially in some areas like education, we see a lot of NGOs. The miracle is in the Crimea. In the Crimea we have about 120, 130 NGOs developed by Crimean Tatars, mainly with no links to the international sponsorship. Again, on one hand true, on other hand we have a lot of voluntary-based organizations, and many organizations look for the real partnership, not just money from the Polish sides, or to get them from the Polish sides, to use the Polish NGOs to get them from the international resources. Our colleagues from the Polish-Ukrainian confirm.
Melissa Onyszkiewicz for Mr. Skomowski. I didn't really get a very clear picture of how the NGOs really began their activity. Was it more on the intellectual level that the beginnings were formed, or was it the grassroots? And
Poland or Ukraine?
Poland, and then in Ukraine, was it parallel or was it different? And for Mr. Wozniak, you claim that the United States actually prefers to see Ukraine as the buffer zone rather than to have it siding with Russia or with Europe. Is this sort of, can you expand on this? Do you have more arguments for this?
Today we are talking about something like 40,000 non-governmental organizations in Poland, and this is the low number. That means this is the number which excludes many kind of organizations which can be counted as a part of the third sector, like parent-teacher associations, which are not listed in this number. The majority of the Polish non-governmental organizations, these are grassroots level organizations. About 55% of them do not have any permanent staff. Do not have paid staff. At the same moment, we have few hundreds well-established NGOs. I can give the example, which are working internally or abroad. I can give the example. The Polish humanitarian organization has the mission in Afghanistan and built the school in Afghanistan. Is feeding thousands of people, of students, of children in Poland. When the earthquake in Bam was a few months ago, they came with the help, with the charity in a week after the earthquake. That means that we have these both levels. The majority is the grassroots level organization, and a lot of this grassroots level organization are active in the international programs, even if they are very small ones, even if that means that they annually invite two teachers from Łódź or from Nadwirna to participate in some activities in the school that they send to students there, but mainly they are grassroots level. In Ukraine, the tradition of non-governmental organization was stopped by the Soviet times. We have to understand that, and we have to remember that. There are some NGOs which were based, which are fundament, like Towarzystwo Lewa, Lion Society in Lviv, the non-governmental organization, which expands into many activities. people from the Alliance Society were involved in establishing Trust Ukrainian Scouting, were involved in establishing some newspapers and many local initiatives. But the tradition, the memory, the remembering about the